students, I once again welcome all of you to the English class. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Students, before starting our class, first I would like to tell about etiquette. Etiquette of this week is don't play with mobile. Children, if we play with more mobile, then there may be problem in our eyes. And next, don't watch TV for long time. Children, watching too much TV or sitting very close to it may make your eyes tired or give you a headache. So I hope you all will follow these good habits in your daily life. Now let's learn some GK questions. Children, tell me, which is our national tree? Very good. Our national tree is banyan tree. Repeat after me. Our national tree is banyan tree. Next question. Which is our national flower? Tell me what is the correct answer of this question. Great. Our national flower is lotus. Repeat after me. Our national flower is lotus. Now let's move to sight word. Look at this sight word. Tell me which sight word is this? Who. Which sight word is written here? Who. Repeat after me. Who. Now let's move to our next topic. Today we will revise CVC words of A sound. Children, look at this picture and tell me what can you see in this picture? Cat. How many sounds are making this word? 3. Tell me what is the first sound of this word? K. And middle? A. And the last? T. Children, tell me which word formed by joining all 3 sounds? Cat. K, A, T. Cat. Now see this picture. Tell me what can you see in this picture? Bag. Tell me what is the first sound of this word? B. And tell me what is the middle sound of this word? A. Now tell me what is the last sound of this word? G. B, A, G. Bag. Now look at this picture. Look at this word. Tell me what is the first sound of this word? J. And tell me what is the middle sound of this word? A. Look at last sound. Tell me what is the last sound of this word? Children, tell me which word formed by joining all 3 sounds? Jam. I hope you all have understood how to read CVC words of A sound. Now let's move to our main topic. Children, in our last class we all have learned sound of double E. Today we will learn sound of letters E and A. Children, look at the screen. Now here you can see 2 letters. This is letter E and this is letter A. Children, tell me what is the sound of letter E? A. And what is the sound of letter A? A. Children, both letters have different sound. Both letters have its own sound. But when we mix these 2 letters together, then these 2 letters gives us a new sound. They make a new sound. Children, can you tell me what sound does EA make? Children, the sound made by E and A is E. Children, in our previous classes we all have learned sound of double E. Double E also makes the sound E. Double E and EA both have same sound. Children, double E says E and EA says E. Children, here you can see 2 letters E and A. Here the first letter says its name and the second one remains silent. Children, when we put E and A together, the sound becomes long E. Now let's read few words of E sound. Now look at this picture. Read this word. P-E-Z. Peas. Now see this picture. Read this word. S-E-L. Seal. Now look at next word. M-E-T. Meat. Children, repeat after me. Meat. Now read this word. W-E-K. Week. Look at this picture. Read this word. B-E-K. Beak. Now read this word. L-E-F. Leaf. Look at this picture. Try to read this word yourself. T-E-T. I hope you all have read these words with me. Children, you will read all these words once again at your home. Now let's do some practice. Children, today we will speak dictation of E silent words. So be ready with your pencil, eraser and notebook. Write dictation and today's date in your notebook. Write first word, hate. Hate. Now write next word, late. Late. After late, you will write make. Make. Children, now next word write cape. Cape. After cape, you will write take. Take. So I hope everyone must have written the dictation in their notebook. After writing dictation, you will match all your words with these words that you have written right or wrong. Now it's time for homework. Children, in homework you have to write CBC words of U sound. After completing this work, you will send it to WhatsApp group. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Bye bye children.